Python style, if statements versus Boolean evaluation. One of the ideas of Python's design philosophy is there should be one obvious way to do it. PEP 20, but that can't always be true. I'm specifically referring to simple if statements versus Boolean evaluation. Consider the following. Versus. With such a simple situation, which is preferable, stylistically speaking? With more complicated situations one would choose the if statement for readability, right?
There should be only one can perfectly well always be true. It's a positive assertion there is only one that cannot be, should implies a target, a goal, not the possibility of always reaching it. For example, for numbers a and b, forbidding either b plus a or a plus b would be so absurd that there just cannot sensibly be only one way in this case. In your example, I would agree that the or is preferable in sufficiently simple cases. 4 lines to do what can be done in one clear and readable line is a waste of vertical space, but not for a predicate of any significant complexity. Deciding what has significant complexity is, of course, a judgment call.
In this case I'd say explicit is better than implicit. When someone reads your code, they can make a few assumptions. They can assume that words can be either an empty dict or one with data in it, missing the case when it is none. In that case, they might be tempted to optimize your code. They might even be right to do it, if it isn't stated anywhere that you can get a none value. If words can in fact be none, I'd try to be clear about that with or possibly an else instead of unconditional assignment first. In any case, this way you sort of document the fact that none is an expected value for words.
Edited well in a case like below, I vote for the conditional expression. Of course, if you think that it improve readability, you can read it aloud that way? You can try.
It was so chill, being the same.